Hello YouTube and welcome to a new unboxing video. Today is something quite different. It's not really tech, but yep, it's gaming branded. So we have the Razer crossed with Cariuma Razer shoes. So these shoes aren't really gamer based, but these are canvas shoes for sustainability, which Razer has been doing. So that's the Go Green with Razer movement. And they have their sustainability mascot, the Sneki Snek, which is also featured on the shoes. So since sustainability is green, it's a green movement. As well, with each pair sold, they've said that they'll be saving 10 trees per pair sold. And each pair comes either in 4 classic sneaker designs, one in a black, all black or black and white colorway, either in a high top or a low top, and they've all been made from natural and recycled materials in support of sustainability. The one I chose was actually just the all black low top. So let's get into it. So to open it, they do give a cool little pull tab. So we just pull that. And then we lift it up. And we get some inserts. Here's the insert that came with all the features of the actual shoe. Fully stitched outsole, perfectly weighed natural rubber, memory foam insole, the cool Sneki Snek print, organic cotton canvas, and a textured cap toe. On the back, there's a little message. You could just pause that to read. Well, we did get one of these, which is a little card. It's a personal card, so it actually has my name and planting 2 trees in the Brazilian rainforest. So you're looking at the shoe, let's get that out. That's definitely all black. And that sustainability mascot looks quite cool. So they do give an interchangeable strap, which they give apparently a green and black colorway. And it's a vegan style insole. So if we take this part out, that's really tough. Yep, that's quite cool. Looks quite nice as well. Same thing with the other shoe. So yep, that's both shoes now. I actually really like the design. But since this is part of Razer's sustainability movement, yep, this is more for sustainability than full gamer RGB. It's a good choice. So there's one more thing in the box, which are just the interchangeable laces for the shoes. And I might actually just change them with the green and black because these look kind of cool. So out of the 2 lace options, I did change it to the interchangeable option, which is the black and green colorway, which is more circular. So this actually does look quite different to this one because these laces are more flat but all black. So it's down to preference on what you like. I tend to like this one more since all around the shoe there is hints of black and green anyway, so having it black and green on the laces tend to look a bit cooler. So yeah, that's a really nice looking Razer shoe. And for the branding, they won't ever let you forget that it's the collaboration of Cariuma and Razer. And we have a little thing here saying, made from 100% recycled plastic, raw natural rubber, organic mamona oil, and cork. So all sustainable components. For the different color options, you have the low all black, the low black and white, the tall all black, and the high black and white. So depending on what you like, they are different in price. It's either $89 for the lows or the $98 for the high in US dollars. Through the website, it's also free worldwide shipping. So either $89 or $98 US dollars plus free US shipping. We'll provide a link to in the description below. In the description, it shows upper organic cotton canvas, lining cotton canvas, sole 100% slip resistant rubber, insole mamona oil based, cork insert with Cariuma logo, laces recycled plastic, constructions handmade, fully stitched outsole. That's really cool. So thank you guys for watching. If you do like Razer's Go Green for Sustainability movement, I recommend to get these shoes. And yes, I know it's not gamer, so you're not getting RGB, but still it's a good purchase to support sustainability with Razer. So thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe if you do enjoy the content of this channel. And thank you guys for watching.